What are you guys doing? What? I turned on PBS and you guys would rather color. Good form. Judah, what are you doing? Do you like school? I'll get that. Do you like school? I'll get it. I'll get it. Get another crayon. Get a different crayon. I'll get it after. Do you want me to help you? Fine. What color is it?
Pink.
Pink?
Oh, no.
What color is this?
Orange.
Orange. Do you guys go to school?
Miss Jenny.
Miss Jenny? And did you learn a letter this week? What letter did you learn this week? M? The letter M?
Mommy.
M is for mommy?
No.
Did you learn the letter D?
Daddy.
Daddy? Okay.